And I would like to share about my son, Pranav. He is a special child. He's having global development delay and seizure disorder. So I have been using Healy from past 6 months and also Mag Healy both. The thing is now, I'm just observing him from past 6 months. I can see a lot of improvements in him, like his speech. He is vocalizing more. Then he is having seizure disorder. So I'm running programs back to back during that. Sometimes when he is in stress, like some sort of a stress, when he listens to loud sounds and all, he gets seizure starts triggering during the night time, during the sleep. So at that time, I am using this deep relaxation back to back, and then nerve harmony. You with the pink app I'm using. So he's getting a lot of relaxation, and the next day, usually during before, it was like he used to be very tired after the seizures, like after, because his sleep is getting disturbed and all. Now, like with this help of Healy, I'm running back to back deep relaxation, then nerve harmony, and then sleep programs. Now I can see next day is very active. He sleeps, and then even if the sleep is little disturbed also, he is next day very active. He doesn't look drowsy or sleepy or something like that. And also his even his body posture is getting improved. So I can see a lot of improvements in him, and he is now more happy. He's not like a child who looks like he's having some disease or like some sort of issue. So he's more happier now, and now he's going to he got selected in he got admission in online schooling, like on Birla Brainiacs International School. So there is inclusive learning in that. He is taking a regular curriculum. That is very have great news for me. And about me, I'm using Mag Healy and also a Healy program. Then I use gold programs, then relaxation, deep relaxation program. Even for Pranav, I do keep this aura analysis every week. For myself also, I do. I'm using it for my parents also, and they get a lot of energy. They say, yes, we are getting a lot of energy. And for me now, I use Mag Healy, and I started a small online artificial jewelry business. So I used to run this prosperity program on Mag Healy, and then I found like the next day I ran the same day the program. The next day I found so many orders coming in. So I was so happy that it's working a lot for me, and my business is going very well now. So that is a success story of mine. So that's it.